Hey 40 plusers, it's Deborah here. We are here to do the Wantable makeup box, February 2015 unboxing. And I'm gonna rip through this pretty quickly. This is barely first impressions, but I want to show you the merch and give you my first reactions to them, and at a later date you'll see product reviews. So here is the quiz. Comments, likes, dislikes, and loves. And you can see the comments there. And there were 4 items in this box. So my comments were, would love a brown mascara, green nail polish, and anything else you think is fabulous for springtime. And Madeline, my stylist, says, in your collection I've added a gorgeous bronzer and a pretty pink nail polish for spring. Hope you love your products. Okay. So, first off, I asked for brown mascara. I received black brown mascara. Sorme Extreme Volumizing Mascara. I've not heard of this brand before. It looks more of a makeup artist kit type brand. The packaging is very sleek, very cool. It's this bronze stiletto looking thing. It smells like mascara. It is a bristled brush with a slight taper. It's pretty big. It is brown. And it is thick. It's a thick formula. One could say almost goopy when you can feel it. And the squeezer, or the thing that takes off the extra product, I don't think there is a squeezer in there. It's just slides in. Nothing business, takes out a whole bunch of product. So package looks nice, but I don't think there's a squeezy thing or something to remove excess product from the brush, or else it's very loose. So that might be a problem for me with application. The color looks perfect, and the ingredients are very nice. It's got vitamin E, aloe, and hyaluronic acid, which is actually a moisturizer. Like, it's actually one of the main active ingredients in the CeraVe moisturizer that I use. It says smudge resistant, long lasting, defines and separates. So I'm excited to try it, and we'll see how that works out for me. So, interesting. Brown mascara, check. Whether the quality is there or not, we'll see. So my loves were Complexion products, eyeshadow, lash product, bronzer, lip, nail, and tools. I use like on both warm and cool because I'm kind of a neutral. I can get away with either. Dislike brows, eyeliner, highlighter, and blush. I've received a nice highlighter, a nice blush, and a blush palette already. I've got a jar full of eyeliners, so I'm going to scale back on those. And brow products, I'm fine with that. Although I forgot to do my brows today. Green nail polish. I did not get green nail polish, but I did get a pretty salmony pink nail polish from a brand that I like. So the nail polish is the Bodyography Fancy Free Cream shade. This is the second nail polish from this brand I've received. The other one was in an Oprah beauty box, Circle of Friends. So this is a more salmon-y shade. Let me see if I can get a comparison for you easily. So this is the Glossy Box shade, and this is the Fancy Free. You can see the difference, definitely. So I'm excited to try it. I like this one, so I'm sure I'll like this one. Plus, it's a nice, really nice color. Very nice. Once my nail heals. Alright, I didn't get green nail polish. I keep trying to get green nail polish. And anything else fabulous for springtime. So, I received 2 products. Now, I will try them both. I don't think they are my cup of tea. So, Cara Cosmetics is a new brand to me. I went through their website and they have really interesting products. This is called a Skin Shimmer. It's a lightweight liquid product that applied alone or under foundation enhance your skin with a luminous glow. Now, there are 2 shades. This is the bronzier shade. It's called Inca. And there's a pinkier shade, which I'm drawing a blank on now. So this is an all-over cream bronzer. I don't know if it has a pump or anything yet because I haven't opened it. Let's see. Oh, it's got a paddle. Okay, well, it's very runny. Foundation-like texture. Let's see if I can get this back on. Ha ha! Yay! I got it back on! Alright, so this is 1 ounce. So this is a liquid bronzer. It's 1 ounce. It's the same size as most drugstore foundations. 1 ounce. I have some of these air pump generic bottles, and I might transfer it to something like this if I like it. I already have an all-over liquid bronzer product. I use it, I don't know, 3 or 4 times a month, not every day, but it's the Skin Lights Face Illuminator, and it's a bronzing shiny lotion, shimmer lotion. So I'll give it a try. It's kind of a rose goldy color almost. I don't know how I could carry that off. We'll have to see. And the 4th item is the same brand as the nail polish. So it's Bodyography. And this is a loose complexion powder in the shade Wheat. And this is on sale on their website for $24 right now. Or marked down from $38. And this is in a sealed sifter. I pried the sifter up and checked out the product. It's very soft, and I have tested it on the back of my hand, and I didn't have any breakouts or anything from it. So it's a breathable, all-day wear, smooth and silky texture. You can buff it in to use it like a mineral foundation, or you can use it loosely on a fluffy powder brush as a finishing powder. Now this must have some level of SPF because it has zinc oxide towards the top of the list. Does it say if it has SPF? So this has ACNE, anti-aging properties, and offers some light reflecting technology. Uses a sheer foundation or finishing powder. So, I don't know, but to me, anything with zinc oxide sounds. Sun SPFE. I really have to look up some of these ingredients. I don't know yet, but it has ceramides in it. That is a anti-aging thingy. Citric acid, vitamin C. Peptides. Has soy, it has silicone, it has silica. It has bismuth. Now, some people have problems with products with bismuth. I don't seem to be sensitive to it. May contain mica, iron oxide, or titanium dioxide. Interesting. So, I'm going to give it a try. I'm not a fan of loose powders. So much so that I actually have pressing solution and press my pigments. Because they're just easier to use and I have very small space here. I should do a video of my space. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Okay, so the Sorme Volumizing Mascara in brown, $20 retail. It's expensive for a mascara. Bodyography nail lacquer in fancy free, $8.50. The Bodyography loose complexion powder in wheat, $24. This is a sale price, $24. It's marked down from $38 on the company's website. The Cara Cosmetics Skin Shimmer in Inca. It's an all-over liquid bronzer. $35.95. So 2, 4, 6. So 68.50-ish, give or take nickels. So that's a great value. Interesting products, new brands to me, and also brands that I like. The Bodyography nail polish, I know I'm going to love. The Bodyography face powder, I'm going to give it a shot and see if it's something that my face likes, that I like the way it looks, that I like the way it feels. The coverage might be too sheer, might just use it as a finishing powder, but then loose finishing powders. I've got a lot of pressed finishing powders already. So the liquid bronzer, I have liquid highlighters that I like using. So the liquid bronzer, I certainly will give it a try as we go into spring. And that is it. Here are the product details if you want to take a look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are all in my love bucket because they're all with green circles. Complexion products, powder, nails, polish, check. Lash product, check. Bronzer, check. So they delivered and they listened. They got me the brown mascara versus everybody else sends me black. Springtime fabulousness, and you know, the nail polish is springy, not greeny, but I'll live. So this is Deborah. Be happy, be healthy, learn something new every day. And that's it. I'm out.